Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on your invisible assistant. You know, the one you probably used about 10 times before you even had your first cup of coffee. We're talking about artificial intelligence, not as some sci-fi movie concept, but as the silent partner that's already running your daily life. So let's just start with a question for you. How many times do you think you used AI today? Just today. Take a quick guess. 5 times? 10? Whatever number you just thought of, I'm willing to bet it's way too low because, AI isn't some far-off thing anymore. It's the invisible engine that's already running in the background of your life, making everything just a little bit smoother, a little more personal. To really show you what I mean, we're going to do something fun. We're going to walk through a completely typical day and start pointing out all the AI that's working just behind the scenes, from the moment you wake up to when you go to bed. All right, let's dive right in, starting with your morning. The alarm goes off, you reach for your phone, and boom, right there, your first AI interaction of the day has already begun. So when you open up a social media app, you're not just seeing a chronological list of what everyone posted. That would be totally overwhelming and, let's be honest, kind of boring. Instead, AI is constantly analyzing everything you do, what you've liked, who you interact with, what you search for, to build a feed that it thinks you'll find the most interesting. It's basically a personalized newspaper, curated just for you every single minute. And this kind of personalization goes way beyond your social feed. I want you to think of AI as your own personal entertainment DJ. Netflix doesn't just have a giant library, it shows you your library, suggesting shows it's pretty confident you're gonna love. And Spotify's Discover weekly playlist, it can feel like pure magic, but really it's just a super sophisticated AI that totally gets your taste in music. It gets you to the stuff you love faster. This intelligence is even getting baked right into the walls of our homes. Your smart thermostat learns when you're usually home and when you're away, and it adjusts the temperature to save energy and keep you comfortable without you ever having to touch it. Maybe your lights turn on automatically when you walk into a room. This isn't just simple automation, it's adaptation. The AI is learning your routines to personalize your actual physical environment. So now that you're all caught up on the world, it's probably time to head out. And this is where AI kind of shifts gears. It moves from personalizing your world to helping you navigate through it with some serious efficiency. The second you head out the door, that navigation app on your phone starts doing some incredible heavy lifting. It is not just a static map. It's actually a powerful AI system that's analyzing real-time traffic data from thousands of other drivers, looking at historical patterns, and even accounting for things like new road closures, all to calculate the absolute best route for you in that exact moment. It saves you time and, let's be real, a whole lot of frustration. And of course, most of us have a helper on call 24/7. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, they're all designed to take those small routine tasks right off your plate. Setting a timer, checking the weather, turning off a light you accidentally left on, all these little interactions free up your mental bandwidth so you can focus on the stuff that actually matters. Even the hardware in your pocket has a brain now. When you go to snap a photo with your phone, the camera's AI is analyzing the scene in a split second. It recognizes faces to get the focus just right, it adjusts the colors for a beautiful landscape, and it merges different exposures to get the perfect lighting. It's basically designed to make every single one of us a better photographer. Okay, so beyond all the convenience and efficiency, AI plays another really crucial role. It acts as a silent protector, kind of like a digital guardian angel in both your online and your physical life. Have you ever wondered what happens in that split second right after you click buy online? Well, an AI security system literally leaps into action. It analyzes that transaction in milliseconds, comparing it to your normal spending habits, like what you buy and where you buy it from. If anything looks even a little bit off, it gets flagged instantly, stopping potential fraud before it can even happen. In this very same idea is what secures the device you might be holding in your hand right now. That fingerprint scanner or the facial recognition that unlocks your phone, it isn't just a simple sensor. It's a really sophisticated AI that's verifying your unique identity, acting as a powerful gatekeeper to all of your personal data. And for a lot of us, this guardian angel is literally on our wrist. Wearable devices like smartwatches use AI to constantly monitor our vital signs. They're tracking your heart rate, your sleep patterns, your activity levels, and this isn't just for hitting your fitness goals. It provides this continuous stream of health data that can actually help detect potential issues early on. It makes healthcare way more proactive instead of just reactive. Okay, so now let's zoom out from the day-to-day details for a second, because I want you to understand the incredible scale of this technology's adoption. It is truly mind-boggling. I just want you to let this number sink in for a moment. 8.4 billion. That's how many digital voice assistants are active around the world right now. So what does that mean? Well, it means there are officially more AI assistants on Earth than there are human beings. Just think about that. And what's even crazier is how fast this happened. That number, it doubled in just 5 years. This wasn't some slow, gradual shift. It was a flat-out explosion. And it just shows how deeply and how quickly this technology has woven itself into the very fabric of our lives. So what this all tells us is that AI isn't really a separate tool that we choose to use anymore. It's become a fundamental, invisible infrastructure. It's kind of like the electricity in your walls, right? You don't really think about it, you just expect it to be there, powering your daily routines. So after walking through this whole AI-powered day, what's the big picture here? What's the main takeaway from all this? Well, in short, AI is working behind the scenes as your invisible assistant. Its whole job is to make your life more personalized by curating your world for you, more efficient by automating all those little tasks, more secure by acting as your digital guardian, and ultimately just simpler by making incredibly complex technology feel intuitive and easy to use. So we're going to leave you with this final thought. The whole point of this was not just to list where AI is, but to give you a new set of eyes to actually see it. So tomorrow, as you're going about your day, just look for it. You'll start to notice this invisible assistant absolutely everywhere, quietly remastering your world. So the real question is, what are you going to spot first?